Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to make this nifty shot glass tray. Let's check it out.
Check it out!
Welcome to Woodshop. And making this really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
All means Woodshop cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug. You dead bird. I did not think that I was going to be making a Technic. I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. In making this shot glass holder, I use this exquisite piece of walnut. I think I'm going to make the legs for this little shot glass tray using crepe myrtle wood. Have you ever heard of that? I think this species is related to apple somehow, but I milled that wood.
Shut up.
I milled that wood myself. This filthy rotten mess right in here needs to be cut off, and let's do that. It's the leg. The walnut has a rough exterior, so I'm gonna sand that off before gluing the legs onto it. Got a small round over bit in here, and I'm gonna go over the edges on the walnut. Because of the round over on this, the legs now kind of stick out a little bit on the corner, so I'm going to see if I can kind of round them where they're going to attach to the base. It's actually much easier than I thought it would be. I'm going to go ahead now and start drilling holes for the shot glasses to sit. I'm trying to figure out how deep I need to go. Okay, I think just to the very top of the Forstner bit makes it a good spot. With the holes drilled for the glasses, I can now glue the legs on. I'm leaving about a finger's width space on there. A little bit more sanding to finish this up. Do I even got to tell you what we're going to finish it with? Pretty nifty project. Comes in handy. You'll probably need it at your next big party, I'm sure. What you think about that thing, boy?
It works. It looks nice, and it holds my liquor.
It's a thing.
It holds liquor better than I do.
It could take 4 shots at one time.
I can't take 4 shots at once.
I can't either. I barely take one. If you like this project and enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more projects like this, I make new woodworking videos that come out every Friday, so if you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, you won't miss a video.
Or Friday.
Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time.